Welcome to one badass truck. The details on this Acela Monterra 6x6 will blow your mind, but first hop on board and let's go for a ride. This particular Acela Monterra 6x6 has done less than 1,000 miles since it was refurbished by them. It features a 330 horsepower Caterpillar 7.2-liter turbo diesel engine and an Allison 7-speed automatic transmission, along with 6x6 all-wheel drive. With high-speed gearing, this truck can easily cruise the freeway or take it in the roughest of off-road environments. With 3 air ride seats, it's as comfortable as it is tough. You can make this one of the most badass expedition RVs out there, a fire truck, a construction vehicle. If you can dream it, the Monterra can probably do it. Find it live on Bring a Trailer right now. And for more information, visit us at Genau AutoWerks.com.